A lot of you are asking about loan. How can I avail of a loan? Paano ba mag-loan? Alright, so hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. And today is a very exciting day because this will be a very exciting video as well kasi maraming nag-aantay sa video na to. And I believe na most of you, if not all of you, will get excited with this one at lalong-lalo na sa mga overseas contract workers or OFWs and seaman natin na nagtatrabaho abroad at yung mga seaman natin na nagtatrabaho on board. Alright, so we don't cancel or we don't deny their sacrifices. Pwede nating sabihin, ganun din naman dito sa Pilipinas, kahit hindi ka mag-abroad, nagsasakripisyo ka rin dito para mabuhay at para makapaghanap buhay at para mabuhay. But then again, kakaiba naman talaga ang sacrifices ng mga OFWs natin, ang mga seaman natin because they are far away from their families at ibang klaseng lungkot yon. Ibang klaseng homesickness ang mararamdaman ng mga kapatid natin na nagtatrabaho as OFWs and seaman. Kaya, with regards to that, I applaud all our OFWs and seamen for their sacrifices and hard work. Alright, so a lot of you were asking, I'm referring to our OFWs and seamen, and to all of you na rin, because this, I guess, will also be of help sa inyo, lalo-lalo na sa mga family members ng ating mga OFW at saka yung mga seaman natin. A lot of you are asking about loan. How can I avail of a loan? Paano ba mag-loan? Kasi although they are working hard and sacrificing a lot, and of course, they are earning or receiving salary na maganda naman talaga yung salaries nila. However, kung minsan kasi dahil sa demand ng family at with all the improvement and development of each lifestyle, nag-i-increase yung demand of expenses sa loob ng family. Kaya kahit maganda yung sahod, hindi kayang cover up lahat ng mga expenses natin, especially if we want to invest. Kasi maganda yun na habang nagtatrabaho ka, habang malakas ka, habang you're away from your family, mag-take advantage ka na to work hard and to invest. Para pag-retire mo, at least meron kang investment. Investment that will last a lifetime. And anything that could be of great help to your family, magandang mag-invest sa mga ganong bagay. Most of my friends, sabi nila, kontento na raw sila sa mga loan from GSIS, SSS, and Pag-ibig. Oo naman, because ang mga government agencies na ito nag-offer lamang ng napakababang interest. If I am not mistaken, it's 1 point something a month, and that would total for a more or less 10% a year. And kung iisipin mo, ang ganda naman talagang offer. Kaya lang hindi naman lahat tayo makaka-avail or makaka-access ng ganitong klase ng loan kasi kapag hindi ka naman government employee, you cannot have a loan from the GSIS. Kapag ikaw naman ay self-employed or nagtatrabaho in a private company, you can have a loan from SSS or Pag-ibig. Kaya lang kasi it's the truth na kung minsan limited lamang yung pwede mong ma-avail na loan from these agencies. And sometimes you really need a bigger amount to cover up yung mga investments mo or kaya yung mga expenses kung saan talaga nakadedicate yung loan amount kung halimbawang ma-approve ka man. Kaya ang tendencies, naghahanap tayo ng mga lending institutions para makapag-avail ng bigger loan amount. At ngayon, this is a very good news because our friend Lori Inay keeps updating me of whatever that she can offer para sa inyong mga OFWs and seaman, mga talagang nagsasakripisyo to work hard apart from their family, ano? Talaga namang malaking sakripisyo. And so, what does our friend Lori Ina has for you today? Okay, now she's opening her doors to assist you for a loan called OFW loan and seaman loan. Alright, so unahin natin yung category ng OFW loan. Ano ba ito? Ito yung klase ng loan na pwedeng ma-avail ng ating OFW workers. At the same time, pwede ring ma-avail yung remittance loan para doon sa mga kamag-anak or family members ng OFW worker natin. Okay, so ang gandang offer, right? Hindi lang pala yung OFW ang pwedeng mag-avail, pwede ring mag-avail yung mga tumatanggap ng remittances from the OFW contract worker natin. Alright, so ano ang qualification nito? First, kailangan you have to be a Filipino citizen, of course, and your monthly basic salary must be 40,000 and up. So kapag pasok ka dito sa dalawang qualifications, wow, that's a good news. So you can get in touch with our friend Miss Lori Inay for further instructions at saka kung ano pa yung mga kailangan. Alright, so second category natin is the seaman loan. Ang seaman loan loan na pwedeng i-avail ng mga nagtatrabaho as seaman, pero pwede ring remittance loan para doon sa mga asawa ng seaman. Lalong-lalo na kapag nandito ka sa Pilipinas and you would like to avail of that kind of loan, pwedeng-pwede. Ano ang qualification? Of course, Filipino citizen and at least 30,000 and up ang monthly salary mo. Okay, so i-take note natin ito. Ang mga loan na to ay hindi yung mga loan na naa-avail from the different banks or commercial banks. Ito, kahit financing naman, mababa ang kanyang interest because it runs from 1.99 to 2%. Which means na affordable naman. Alright, so magkano ang pwede nating i-avail? From 50,000 to 1 million. Yun yung mga amount na pwede nating i-avail. At para malaman mo kung pre-qualified ka nga or qualified ka nga sa klase ng loan na ito, of course, I'm always introducing to you ang kaibigan natin na talaga namang tumutulong sa pag-a-apply ng inyong mga loans and to also help in the processing of these loans. So, of course, get in touch with Miss Lori Inay. So, ibibigay ko sa inyo ang kanyang Facebook page at dito ninyo i-reach out si Lori Inay. Then, I will also be giving the link dito sa ating description para you can just stop it and then it will lead you doon sa page ni Miss Lori Inay. I believe na hindi naman kasi tayo maglo-loan kapag talagang hindi natin kailangan. I believe in that. But then again, we have to be very wise. Kapag maglo-loan tayo, kailangan talagang may paggagamitan. Investment or pag-aaral ng mga anak para ma-maximize natin or ma-utilize natin yung mga loan amount na ipapahiram ng mga agencies na ito or institutions na ito. So, I hope you get what I mean kasi inuulit-ulit natin talaga yung ganyang klase ng reminder no dito sa ating YouTube channel. How I wish talaga na wala nang naglo-loan, wala nang umuutang ano, yung talagang lahat tayo makaraos from all those loans, loan free. Kaya lang kung minsan that's reality that we really need to apply for a loan, we need help sa finances natin. As long as nakakabayad naman tayo ng tama, lalong-lalo na sa mga kailangan natin sa pagpapaaral ng mga anak. And I believe naman na kapag nag-graduate ang mga anak natin at nagkaroon yan ng magandang trabaho, sila na yung tutulong para sa mga finances natin. At malay nyo, makakatulong na rin sila para mabayaran yung mga loans natin in the past. So, we have to be very, very positive always. So, for the meantime, na hindi pa natin kaya at kailangan talaga nating mag-loan, importante, kailangan mababa lamang yung interest. 1.99 to 2% that I have mentioned a while ago doon sa OFW and remittance loan ng mga kamag-anak ng OFW or yung seaman loan at yung asawa ng seaman, okay na yon. Alright, so there you go. Nakumpleto na po natin ang mga information tungkol dito sa loan na i-offer sa atin ni Miss Lori Inay. Sa lahat ng mga gusto mo pang malaman regarding this kinds of loan, so you can just reach her out, message her sa kanyang Facebook page. And remember, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. So bye everyone!